Hello everyone, meteorologist Mike Mahalik here, and once again we have severe weather to talk about the third day in a row for Pennsylvania, parts of New Jersey, and even Delaware and Maryland. So let's go over to the radar picture. So here's the line we're concerned about. We're concerned from State College down to Martinsburg here. These storms pushing east are going to mature, and we're thinking that some large hail is possible once again with these storms, but I'm thinking for the most part straight line winds this time, so gusts of 50 miles an hour could still cause a lot of damage here in spots. And then as we get more towards Philadelphia, Delaware, southern New Jersey, even the Lehigh Valley, some isolated storm or two could get a bit of rotation on it, so we can't rule out that tornado threat, but it's a little bit less than we had yesterday and maybe pushed a little bit further south, even into parts of Maryland. So that's what we're watching here into the evening. And the other thing to worry about with these thunderstorms, especially in this red area, is the heavy rain. We had lots of rain over the last couple of days, so any thunderstorms that move in will have torrential downpours once again, so poor drainage flooding, certainly a concern. Also, some streams and creeks could get rather high, so we're going to have to watch that very carefully heading into the evening hours. Now, as we head into tonight, those thunderstorms will start dying down, especially around 9 o'clock. And then as we head past midnight, the showers will really start diminishing across much of the Northeast. Temperatures through the north here will drop into the 50s and then into the 60s heading down towards Philadelphia there, but still 70 around Washington, D.C. The good news is Friday will finally dry out. Look at this. We have dry weather from Boston all the way through Philly. Maybe even Washington, D.C. stays dry, but there are a couple of pop-up storms that could happen further to the south here. Temperatures in the 70s for the most part, but then you start getting into the 80s down towards Philly and the nation's capital. And then looking into Saturday, another nice day across the Northeast. We will have another system moving in from the west. So we could have a couple of isolated thunderstorms trying to sneak in as we head into the later afternoon hours on Saturday, but temperatures generally in the 70s across the north and in the 80s further south for your day Saturday. Sunday will be our next threat, where we could see a more widespread severe weather threat once again, so we'll keep an eye on that heading into the weekend. But in the meantime, follow us on Facebook, Twitter, Instagram, and all those other social media platforms. And as always, weatherworksinc.com.